everyone, Lice Lady here. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll make sure we answer any questions for you. So today we're going to show you how to do an oil treatment. This oil is called our Active Rinse. This is what we use in the clinic. This is a product that we have when we're doing take-home kits. We're doing oil treatments in here. We put people on what's called an oil regimen if they have a light infestation. What this product does is it kills 100% of the bugs if there's any bugs. This does not kill the eggs, so we need to make sure that we're using it appropriately and we're using it when we're supposed to. So we have our client here who has gone through our heated air process, which kills 99.2% of the eggs and 88% of the bugs. With our signature treatment, we've done the heated air, we've gone through and we've done a thorough comb out, and then we're going to put the oil on the head that's going to kill 100% of the bugs, if anything even survive those first two steps, which is highly unlikely. But this is just gonna add a little bit of buffer just in case. So we have our oil here, what we're gonna do, and this is what you would do at home. We're gonna show you how to appropriately oil at home if this is something that we've suggested that you do at home. The biggest thing with this is you have to make sure that you shake this oil extremely well. If you don't shake it, there's a couple different solutions in here and they're gonna separate and then the product's not going to work. So make sure that you give it a good shake. So you start from the root and oil all along. The biggest thing is you just wanna make sure that the hair is completely saturated. All the way down to the tips of the hair. Something that we like to use to help us is the wet brush comb. And we comb the oil through from root to tip. Okay, so then we're gonna take our next hair clip down. It's really important that when you put this bottle down, every single time you pick the bottle up, you reshake it. Because when you put the bottle down, the solution separates. So I've shook my bottle and then I apply it again from root down to the tip of the hair. So we just want to make sure now that we're at the top, the oil is all the way through the hair is completely saturated. Massage the oil through the scalp so that there's nothing left that's dry. Just brush it through. An average head of hair should take about 2.5 ounces of oil. Thicker hair obviously would take more. Boys, 1/2 ounce, maybe to 1 ounce at the most. And then you're going to leave the oil on for 20 minutes. You can leave it on for longer, just not shorter than 20 minutes. To rinse off the oil, if you have color hair, you need to use room temperature baking soda, mix it with shampoo in your hand, follow that procedure, rinsing and repeating until the oil is all the way out. Once it's out, you can follow with your normal shampoo and conditioner. If you have non-color hair, you can use dish soap, rinsing and repeating, follow up with shampoo and conditioner. Worst case scenario, if you don't get all of the oil out of the hair, your hair is gonna look a little bit wet, like you just jumped out of the shower. You can jump back in, follow up with that dish soap or with that baking soda. This product is non-toxic. It's not gonna hurt you like the other products, like the Rids and the Nixes and things like that. It's okay if it's left on your head. I wouldn't sleep in it. It's oily, it's greasy. You don't want it in your eyes still, but it is safe to use on young kids, pregnant, nursing, things like that. If you have any questions though, do consult your physician. I'm not a doctor, so make sure that you talk to people if you need to. Other than that, that's how you use the product, that's how you oil. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Other than that, we hope you have a lice-free and happy day.